Episode of Introduction to Canva. So here we'll be going through the Canva interface and some of its key functions, the elements of how Canva is programmed for us to make use of it as design or any other function that you want to make use of it for. So I'll be going through each part, each aspect in this interface, because Canva interface just recently updated and is looking much appealing now. It's looking much nice and easier to navigate for anybody. It's very easy for you to easily navigate to where you want to go. Okay, you want to create a social media, a video, a photo editor, presentation doc, anything, website, sheet, whiteboard. So all these are just what Canva entails, and there are more to it. There are a lot more to it, especially if you are on pro version. You get to enjoy a lot of their services. So when you get to the app or the web, because right now I'm using the web version, I'm using it on web, I mean on a website. Can you see I'm using canva.com creates? So I'm not using the app. Whether you are using the app or you are using the web, it's always the same thing everywhere. So you have this here. Can you see this for this thing? So now taking this one, as you can see, is your designs. So anything you've created so far in Canva, you'll be able to see it here. And this plus one create is just the starting point. Is where you arrive at, where you can just start creating immediately when you download the app, and you can always get it. If you are wondering how to get the app, you can just go to Play Store and get to Play Store, search for Canva, and this is the app here. It's not even be that big, it's just 10 MB. So this is the app here. I don't feel I should download the app. Let me download the app and see. So we can quickly go through the various steps of right from downloading the app to the to logging in or creating an account. Then you get to work on some of the updated version of the app. So I was using the web before, so let's see what the app will do here. Let me just open it. So if you are using any version, maybe on tablet, on your PC, or just your smartphone, as you can see, this is your smartphone. So anyway you are using it, the key element are always the same thing. You just have to find it where it's located. So accept of cookies and log in with Google. For your own part, you have to register. If you are just downloading the app for the first time, you just have to create an account. But for me, I already have an account before, so I'll just use my Google account, then I'll log in directly into the app. See, I give up on the app and I'm coming back here. So I just have to make use of the web to give you the introduction to Pixel Lab. So starting from this key elements down here, all these ones, starting from there. So if you click here, you'll be able to see your previous designs that you've made on Canva to take you to all your projects. So each and every one of your projects will appear here. As you can see, these are my previous projects, and you can see all recent, and you will see all the previous projects you've created on Canva here. And you can just go back. When you go back, you can see these are all my previous projects on Canva. And when you come to this side, this is really interesting, very fast and very simple. When you come to templates, you'll be able to see lots of custom templates that you can make use of to start designing or creating something today. Probably you are looking for an inspiration of, okay, how does they do this type of thing? Now you have an Instagram story, a mobile video, a TikTok video, logo, resume, photo collage. There's just a lot for you to go through. So you want, okay, let's just click on Pinterest pin. Now can you see how they make use of Pinterest pin? So if you are trying to create a Pinterest pin for your Pinterest account, you can just come here and add and create blank, or when you create the blank, you'll be able to see more templates under the blank as well, where you can just gather your inspiration to create something. But we are not going to that right now. So anything you just want to create, you can just start from anywhere around here for you to gain inspiration. There are lots of templates here, as you can see, templates, lots and lots of them. So this is themes, this is for the subscription part, and you subscribe for the pro. So what the theme version will give you are just these things that are shown here and more. When you click on more, you have brand, Canva AI, and some other apps. And other apps that are inside Canva that you can make use of to create your design. And for this brand aspect, if you are the type working for a social media design, different type of design, or you are the one working on your own brand personally, you can actually input all your brand and this thing, your brand kit. You can put your brand kit in here, so that when you just want to create a design, you just go to that part where you have brand, and you be picking your colors, your typography and everything, so that you won't have to be repeating the color and the typography all over and all over again. So when you have a brand and once you get the brand, you get it branded, you have a color, you have a typography. So instead of just going over to search for it and create it again, you can actually add the brand kit here. Whenever you are designing, you just add it into it. Can you see? You have your logo, your colors, your font, your brand voice, your photos, your graphics, icons, charts, and everything. You can just put it here. Well, as you can see, it's for pro version users. So if you want the function, you have to subscribe for pro version. Now let's move back to that's all. And this is very, very interesting. Canva here is moving to a lot of simplicity, and this is very, very interesting. And for the design school, this is where they teach you some of basics in Canva, some of things that you can use Canva to do. So you can just go through it. Can you see? Design schools, we have the one of 10 minutes, 30 minutes, even 1 hour, 7 minutes. Meet Canva Visual Suite. So here too they will describe everything in details for you if you want to go through their schools and stuff. They are just short tutorials that you can make use of to level up. Let's see, create scroll stopping views with Canva. So you can just take your time and go through this as well, because they will come in handy in one way or the other. And that's all. Now you can come to create and click on create. Now I just want to create customize. You can actually upload your own the image or anything that you want to use, and you can just create custom size. So I'm going for create custom size. I will be creating a square, this thing, Instagram square. So 180 by 180. Should I create square, or I should go for the portrait one? I want the portrait 350. Okay, this for the portrait. For the app, it will just automatically open this thing for you, the tab for you, or what should I call it? It will just automatically open the design. For the web version, it will open another tab and it will load the design in the tab. So as you can see, when I create even blank with my custom design, it brings out a lot of sizes of same design that has this same custom design before inside the same template that you can make use of. And Canva has moved a very very long way, in which from the previous way it was initially founded, or when we first know it, it has advanced now. It's more advanced now. I can see these designs are looking good as they are, and some of them are just pro version. You can check on them to gain inspiration for your next design, and you can check for styles you want, come the color palettes, the fonts. Okay, this is just it. You can just go through this. You can even add an image to search for the style you are looking for. If you have an image of a particular style, so you can add the image here and it will automatically scan it and search it for you. Let me try this one out. Go on. Let me quickly see if it will work for me as a free user. So we couldn't find any style results, so they couldn't find something related to this. Remove media. Now I'm back. Let me just go back to that tab. This is it. Okay, so now when your custom size finish loading after creating it, you have this interface right here. Can you see all these templates? But this is not what we are here to do. So when you open the custom size or any sizes you create, this is where you will land to. This is how the interface will look like. So right from this upper side, this place is, if you click on here, you'll be taken back to the home page, which is the place you created the custom size, where we have the templates down here, the more and what else, and some other ones around here I've forgotten. So if you click here, you'll be taken back home, and this is redo button and undo and redo. Yeah, this is undo here, and this is redo. In which, if you've done something you don't want, like let me just add a text box. So when you add a text box, I don't want the text box to here again. You can just click on the undo button here. You can just click here. As you can see, it's showing white. So if you click on it, that means the text will be gone. You see, and if you click on the other one on the other side, the text will be back. That's how it works. So if you click on these three dots now, you'll see some other functions that you can make use of. So automatically, okay, let's take it one after the other. Here you can edit your design name or your project name to the name that you prefer it should be. So I want this now. If you click on this pen sign, be able to edit it. So if I click on it like this and click on check mark, that's it. The title of my design has changed. The name of the project has changed to Intro to Canva. And if I scroll down here, I can editing, commenting, and this is when you want to share the link. When you want to share, you are in editing form right now. No, this is not for sharing the link. Sorry for that. You are in editing aspect right now. So if you add comment to it, comment mode enable, so you can be able to comment on the design. Probably you are working with a team and you share them the design. You can give a comment on, okay, oh, this is looking so the comment has been added, and if I share this right now, I share it, or if I have the link with me, I'll be able to see this comment. I'll be able to see this comment once I click on it, and this is in commenting mode, and you can just put it to view reading only. So now I won't be able to design anything here. I'll be able to do anything. I'll just be able to see what you've created and you share to me. So when you are sharing the link, you can as well do this, and you can put it to your own custom this thing that you want it. So let's just click here, and here you have view all pages. You can automatically resize your design. You can automatically resize your design when you probably have wrongly have a size before, or you are working on different sizes but same design again. There are some cases that you have a project whereby you need it in portrait, and again you want it in landscape. So you can just come to this resize, but it works for pro version users. As you can see the crown sign here, so it's for pro version. You can come to this resize, just type the size that you want, and you click on automatic this thing. There's a way to ask you, so it's not bringing it here. So if you click on resize, you click on resize, you enter your custom size and you click on it. It will ask you, do you want to adjust the design, and it will automatically resize it and adjust the design, that you can later just make a few adjustments to it to make it look much better the way you want it. So that is really a good helping one. On the other hand, so here you have your pages where you get to see all your pages, and there are shortcuts to seeing pages. You can just hold it, you can just use your two fingers. I think I'm back here. Let me go back. So I'll just come to my design. I've mistakenly pressed the back button, so I'll go to my design, and I should have it somewhere around here. For now, we're building 26,000 naira. It could be the mama plan. So, so as you can see, this is the one we are working on, intro to Canva, and this is it here under my design, your design. So click on it, and you don't have to worry. Canva automatically saves everything you are doing on this thing. It's a cloud app, so when you do anything, you make any move or any way, it automatically saves the process for you. So you don't have to panic when you are creating something and your phone went off or you lose internet. Your design has automatically saved to that aspect where you lost contact with the app or the website. So if you click on this three dot again, you can just go through it, you can just check it out, you can move a file from one side to another, and different other functions that you can go into, in which we don't really need much of this in this course. So this is the commenting sign here, and I don't want the comment here, so I'll just click these three dots. I should be able to delete it. I don't want to add comments. Okay, let's just leave it that way. So if you click on this sign here, this one is when you are done with anything you are doing inside here and you want to export it. So you have various type of exporting. You can just copy the link, whereby if you are sharing the link, if you share the link now, you can give access to anyone with the link, or share it with your team. And in my own case, this is a team I'm in right now. So if you want to share it with your team, anyone from this team will be able to see this, will be able to access the link that you sent to them. But if you click here, anyone with the link, if you click here, anyone with the link now after clicking on anyone with the link, you will also see this function here. You can key can edit. If you want them to edit it, probably you finish designing and you just want them to, okay, check this out, make some adjustments, and that's just it. The when